Good day everyone, my name is Steffi and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the letters of alphabet, the big letters or the uppercase, the small letters or the lowercase. Uppercase A and lowercase a. Uppercase B and lowercase b. Uppercase C and lowercase c. Uppercase D and lowercase d. Uppercase E and lowercase e. Uppercase F and lowercase f. Uppercase G and lowercase g. Uppercase H and lowercase h. Uppercase I and lowercase I. Uppercase J and lowercase j. Uppercase K and lowercase k. Uppercase L and lowercase l. Uppercase M and lowercase m. Uppercase N and lowercase n. Uppercase O and lowercase o. Uppercase P and lowercase p. Uppercase Q and lowercase q. Uppercase R and lowercase r. Uppercase S and lowercase s. Uppercase T and lowercase t. Uppercase U and lowercase u. Uppercase V and lowercase v. Uppercase W and lowercase w. Uppercase X and lowercase x. Uppercase Y and lowercase y. Uppercase Z and lowercase z. Letter sound: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There are two types of letters, the vowels and the consonants. A, E, I, O, U. They are vowels and the rest are consonants. Let's blend two letters, one vowel and one consonant. A says A, N says N, N. A says A, D says T, at, at. E says E, B says B, ebb. E says E, M says M, M. I says E. S says S. E. Yes. O says O. N says N. O. N. On. O says O. X says X. Ox. Ox. U say U. P says P. U P. Up. U says U. N says N. U N. On. Sight words. It's easy. You just have to remember how they look and how they sound. Am. The. She. Was. You. With. Hope you enjoy. For watching, don't forget to subscribe.